how to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Dubai Islamic Bank and tap on the very first link you see there. You will then see the Open an Account option on the left side toolbar. Tap on that and you will then be shown with a bunch of options you can create in Dubai Islamic account. Simply choose the type of account you want to open. I will select salary account. Now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and go through the guideline shown on the screen. You will then see the application form, so go ahead and fill up the form. Start by entering your first name and last name, followed by company name, email address, mobile number, and if you are salaried or self-employed. Also enter your date of birth and then select the range of AED you earn per month. Now verify that you are not a robot and further tap on the submit button and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. So this is how you can activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.